this install is for the skid plate for the modular front bumper, and this skid plate is only for 98 and newer Rangers. So it's going to come with 2 mounting brackets, one for each side. I have these ones just snugged up right here, but they're going to go on here like this, each side. Now, when you go to put this skid on, this bumper right here is actually one of the first bumpers we made, so it has this lip on it, which is a different style than what we use now. But this skid will actually tuck up under most of the modular bumpers we've made. It'll go right up underneath here and slide all the way up, and these holes will line up. But for this one, we're just going to put this one up on the outside. Lost one bolt. Okay, so I got a little bit ahead of myself when we started this video. Before you can mount these brackets, there's a plastic air shield that runs across. It's just 2 1/4-inch bolts. You gotta zip them out, and then your brackets will bolt right up where the air shield went. So we have this bolted up. I have it kind of just sitting here right now, but once you get everything lined up, you have to go through. It'll be sent with 3 button head bolts. You're going to put one here, one in the middle, and then one on this end. So what I would recommend to do is, what is this, 30 inches? 30 inches, mark 15, mark your center of it, drill that hole, drill this hole, and put your bolts in. That's all there is to it.